All right, so if you're running Google Ads in 2022, how do you reduce the amount of spam? How do you get rid of the foreign nationals that are filling out your forms? How do you get rid of all that spam? I'm going to show you one of the most important things that you can do real quick here. Rob, feedback wrench. If you like digital marketing and whatnot, this is the channel to be on. So the main thing that you're going to do is when you select your country or your location. So this is on the initial setup of a paid search ad. What you're going to do is you're going to, so in this case, I'm going to go location options. And the biggest thing you need to do is change the target in the location options from presence or interest, people in, regularly in, or who've shown interest in your targeted locations, to present, people in or regularly in your targeted locations. So if you're on an account right now that's running an ad, what you're going to do is you're going to click into the search campaign itself. You're going to go down to settings, okay? And once you're in settings, there's a thing called location settings. So again, I was showing you on the front end when we're setting it up, we're going for presence in. We don't want people who are interested, because think of all the people that are interested. So we're going to go to this location thing, and we're going to go to location options. And again, we're going to make sure that it's not just presence or interest. We're going to go to presence, people in there, and you're going to hit save. That will help reduce the amount of spam, the amount of people from other countries that are coming to your Google ads. That'll help you attend. Good luck. God bless.